Good morning, guys. I'm glad you're all here. Thank you very much for joining me. Late last night at about 9:35 p.m. local time, Pacific Standard Time. According to GeoNet, there was a magnitude 5.5 earthquake off the coast of Alaska. This was a thrust earthquake, and you can see here we got the shelf. Yeah, subduction. Let me bring it out a little bit. The monitor, yeah, not surprising, for that island is not working. Kodiak Island. There's location of the 5.5. USGS said it was a magnitude 5.4. On Geoscope, you can see how during the earthquake, it moved going towards the southeast, and because of, being stuck, the other side rose up. 5.4 miles in depth, or 9.2 kilometers. 103 people said they felt it. Intensity level of 4, which means in their location it felt like maybe a magnitude 3 to a 3.5. It felt indoors by many people, outdoors by a few. At night, some may have been woken up. Dishes, windows, doors were rattling. Automobiles rocked noticeably. No reports on EMSC. That's disappointing. Looks like most of the reports came from Kodiak Island. There is some over here towards Anchorage, and one report from Glen Allen, intensity level 4. That's surprising to have that strong of shaking over there. The one from Anchorage, intensity level 2. I wish people would have sent in reports to EMSC, because then we can actually read what they felt. Let's see, the closest one to where the earthquake occurred, intensity level 4, intensity level 3. Let's go on the other side of the island there. Intensity level 3 and 3, 3 and 3. Let's see, there was a 4.7 that I posted. That was last year, January 3rd. I don't post them all because this is really a seismically active area, as you guys know. Some of the notes that I have listed, let's see, we got an eruption of volcano in 1912. What do I have? Nothing really important there. Nothing there. Let's see, there was a 7.1 in 2016. Right there. Let's see. Okay, in 1964. Yeah, that was, Easter? Good Friday? I can't remember. Yeah, 9.2. That was a very devastating earthquake, and it also created a tsunami. Some people died from the tsunami. Yeah, I wish I could get the data, the borehole to work. An aftershock, that one was deep. Yeah, subduction, a 1.9, 49.8 miles. And then a 0.2, that's over here towards, let's see, let's bring it out there. Yeah, 0.7 miles. And then up over here for Cook Inlet, yeah, you can see we got all kinds of them right there. This one was a 2.6. Let's see, we got a 1.8, a 2.4, a 1.9. Where's that at? I don't see it. Anyways, yeah, you guys, I hope you guys are prepared. Oh, this is odd. I just got a notification from Google Earth that they encountered a program and need to close. But anyways, the line I got drawn out here, can I bring it out? Nope, it's locked up. 263 miles from the subduction along here to the volcanic arch, which is northwest a little bit. So, yeah, did you feel this earthquake? Are you prepared? I hope so. for anything larger, because there is a history of large earthquakes. Please put your comments down below. Please check to make sure you're still subscribed. Yeah, the AI often unsubscribes people from your favorite channels. And multiple times. They do it over and over and over. Please like, share, and be prepared. I'll talk to you later. God bless y'all. Bye.